Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Rhino tutorial how to mark cube, star, and end. Okay, in here I will use a top view, you can maximize and we draw example cube with this control point cube. So I will click from this point into here. Press enter to apply. Now if you want to mark star and end cube by point, you can click at this icon point drop down menu and then choose mark cube star. So if you use left click, to be automatically select for the start. Press enter and then you can click again. You can choose again the command and then right click it mark cube and you can click right and then select the objects and press enter again. So to be set into endpoint. I will draw again another example. This and then you can set for the star mark by clicking left click, select the objects and then enter. And for end you can choose right click, select the objects and enter again. Okay, that's it for basic Rhino tutorials, how to mark cube, star and end. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.